Morning, folks. Let's do stats and league table update. Not the one done one of these for a few weeks, so let's see how we stand in the Northern League. You remember how this happens, and again, just a little addendum to this to note that it is dependent on your scorers updating your scorecards. Whoever does that. So there's a few that are not quite filled in. All the Northern League are fine. There's one in the Palace Shield and there's a few in the Westland League that aren't filled in yet. But as it's incremental, they'll get picked up next time. So most runs in the Northern League. Punit Bisht of Garstang 380. He's on the money again, isn't he? Highest score, Ronson Jonathan of Kendal 118 not out. Most sixes, same man, Ronson Jonathan from Kendal. He's at 9. And most ducks, Steve Fisher at Lancaster. He needs a pen to keep them in, doesn't he? He's got 4. He's only batted 5 times. His other score was 1. So he's not had a great start. So bowling wise, most wickets, Matthew Grindley of Blackpool 17. Best bowling figures, Jamie Thompson of Blackpool 7 for 8. Best strike rate, Sam Steeple of Chorley 17.43. And remember, you've got to bowl 20 overs for that. And best economy rate, Simon Kerrigan of Fulwood 1.52, the same 20 over rule there. Fielding most catches, Zach Christie of Longridge 6. And wicket keeping dismissals, Lee Sparks of Lancaster. He's been around for a while, hasn't he? He's got 9 dismissals. Let's have a look at the table. Starting to take a little bit of shape here. Blackpool 65, Garstang 59, Longridge 58, St Anne's 54 and Chorley 50. Then in the mid-table, we've got Fulwood 44, Netherfield 40, Lancaster 39, Leyland 39, and Kendal 33. And then worrying times here for Penrith, who've got 12, and Vernon Keras, who've got 10. Worrying times for them so early in the season, over 20 points adrift. Let's see if they can pull something round there. Then we'll go into the Palace Shield. And the batting, we have a number of runs, Lewis Smith of Morecambe 256, and he's also got the highest score 109 not out. Most sixes, Christian Yearwood of Penwitham, he's the overseas amateur, he's at 15 sixes, gives it a bit of a smash. And the most ducks is 2, and there's loads of people, there's far too many to mention, so we need somebody to come out of the pack for that. Bowling wise, Rhys Thomas of Eccleston's got 23 wickets, and he's also got the best bowling analysis, 9 for 31. The strike rate with over 20 overs is Zach Corcoran of Fleetwood, 13.29, and the best economy rate is Jack Wilkinson of Fleetwood, 2.36. That's pretty decent. Fielding wise, most catches, Alex Briggs, the captain of Morecambe, he's got 7. He's quite a nice chap, isn't he? And wicket keeping, most dismissals, tied on 9, Ashton Ward of Morecambe and Danny Curtis of Exton. So they've both got 9. League table, once again, let's have a look at the top. Fleetwood 59, Morecambe 45, Great Eccleston 43, and Thornton Cleveley's 40. They got hammered by Kirkham yesterday, did Thornton Cleveley's. Kirkham absolutely walloped them, and they're still bottom. Amazing result. Then we've got Eccleston 39, Penwitham and Barrow 37, Torrizome and Exton 28. Then we've got Preston 26, Croston 24 and Kirkham 23. That's really tight at the bottom there. Anything could happen there. Looks like Fleetwood at the moment. They won the first 5 games, did well yesterday, beat Exton by 3 runs. It all looked like it was all lost for Fleetwood yesterday, but they've come through and they've sorted that out. Nice to see Atik keeping wicket again. Got stumping in and some catches. Good for him, but he got rather a long duck, so we can have a little bit of a chuckle about that. And if we move on to the Westland League, most runs, Chris Evans of Sedgwick, 225. Highest score, Ben Phillips of Burneside, 137 not out. Most sixes, this is a contentious one because I'm sure this is wrong, but the cards aren't updated properly. Alex Davidson of Arnside, 7. And most ducks, Zach Buchanan of Westgate, 3. But as we all know, he's a bowler, really. But he's got 3 ducks, so he perhaps needs to sort his batting out a little bit there. He won't mind me saying that, won't Zach? Bowling-wise, very interesting this. Johnny Matthews of Sedgwick, he's got 25 wickets. He's also got the best bowling analysis, 8 for 36. And they're top of the league, but their best bowler from last year, Tom Ridley, he's not bowled yet. He's injured. So they're top of the league without him. That's excellent. Best strike rate, Dylan Conroy of Westgate, 11.91. And the best economy rate is Thomas Shuker, the overseas at Kendal, 1.76. Most catches, loads of people have got 4. There's far too many to mention. And most wicket-keeping dismissals, Stuart Mayer of Wharton, who's got 8. League table, Sedgwick 62, Arnside 58, Westgate 58, Kendal seconds 51, Wharton 51, that's quite tight up there. Shire's Head 45, Heysham 41, then a bit of a gap to Trimple 27, Burneside 23, Bear 22, Milnthorpe 22, Sedbergh School 17, and at the bottom Kirby Lonsdale, the promoted team, with 12. Looking like a long season for them, but hopefully they can pull something off in the next game. They're away to Kendal seconds next Saturday, so let's hope they can get something out of that. Fingers crossed for them. So that's the stats update, guys. Again, it'll be 2 or 3 weeks before I do another one. Let's hope the weather gets a little bit better. It's drizzling outside. Enjoy your cricket. Thanks, guys.